What would you do if you found a ringing phone on a dark, empty street? Would you answer it? Today's easy English story is about Anna and a mysterious lost phone. Welcome to the English Listening Stories podcast. Let's begin. It was a quiet evening. Anna was walking home after work. The street was empty, and the sky was getting darker. As she walked, she noticed something shining on the ground. It was a small mobile phone. Anna picked it up. The screen was cracked, but the phone still worked. She looked around, but no one was nearby. Suddenly, the phone started ringing. Anna felt nervous, but she answered the call. A man spoke with a worried voice. "Hello? Is anyone there? I lost my phone. It has my important work files." Anna replied calmly, "Yes, I found your phone on the street. Where can I meet you?" The man said quickly, "Thank you. I am at the coffee shop near the park. Could you come here?" Anna agreed and walked to the coffee shop. When she arrived, she saw a man standing outside. He looked very stressed. When he saw Anna holding the phone, he smiled with relief. He said, "Thank you so much. This phone is my life." Anna gave him the phone. The man thanked her again and offered to buy her a cup of coffee as a reward. Anna smiled and said, "You're welcome. I'm happy to help." They both sat down and enjoyed a warm cup of coffee. It turned into a lovely evening. You listened to the story, and you learned the vocabulary. Now, it's time for the ultimate test of your listening comprehension, quiz time. Now, let's learn some useful English words. I will say the word and its meaning, and then give an example. Quiet means very little noise. Example, the library is quiet on Sunday. Shining, giving a bright light. Example, we saw a star shining in the night sky. Relief, the feeling when stress goes away. Example, she felt relieved after finishing the difficult exam. Nearby, close to you. Example, I live in the house near the park. Nervous, feeling worried or unsure. Example, he felt nervous before his first presentation. Important, something that matters a lot. Example, family is the most important thing in life. Now, let's test your listening skills. I will ask a question, give you 3 seconds to think, and then tell you the answer. Question 1. What did Anna find on the ground? Answer, a mobile phone. Question 2. Why was the man worried? Answer, because his phone had important work files. Question 3. Where did Anna and the man meet? Answer, they met at a coffee shop. Question 4. What did the man offer Anna as thanks? Answer, a cup of coffee. Great job! How many answers did you get correct? Tell me in the comments, what is the most important item you have ever lost? If you enjoyed this easy English listening practice, please like and subscribe for more story-based English lessons. For easier English stories and listening practice, subscribe to the channel. Keep learning, keep listening, and your English will improve naturally. See you in the next story. Goodbye.